Even when just cleaning the house, a little creativity helps. With a cloth and a document clip, you can make the perfect tool for cleaning grooves. Using this hack, your broom turns into a duster for high spots. Remove dirt from the vacuum's filter without getting your hands dirty. Useful. Can't reach? Use a pool noodle. Ingenious. When the mirror is full of marks, you don't need special detergents to make it gleam again. You just need a sheet of parchment paper. Cleans without leaving any traces. Adhesive roller finished. A hair curler is a great alternative. Say goodbye to hair. To remove stains from a mat, scrub it with some shampoo and a new toilet brush. Check out the results! Perfect! Does the clothes drying rack leave marks on your clothes? Try this solution. Too high? Problem solved!